our double grooved sandwich, panini, and flatbread press. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 22 and 15/16 by 12 inches in depth, and a height of 7.5 inches. Measurement for the grill plate will be 19 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. Again, this is a double grooved panini press. So on our left and right, we'll toast, cook your flatbreads and sandwiches together or separate with these two controls. And bottom, the waste tray that can be removed for cleaning. Coming to the back are your two 110 and 120 voltage connection plugs, and sticker with the SA sanitation certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.